Hi, I am doing great. I am so excited that you are here. We are going to do a science experiment. So what you need, oh my string fell on the floor, sorry. So you need a can, just like a can that you have vegetables in. So you need a can, and if you look inside my can, I don't know if you could see very well, but there's ice water in there. So I have some ice cubes and some water and a string. And then you're also going to need salt. Okay, so far you should have about 6 ice cubes and some water in your can. And I'm going to take my string and I'm going to see if I can fish for ice. Okay, have you ever been fishing? Fishing is so fun. So we're going to fish today and see if I could get any ice. So I'm going to stick it in there, really push it down in there. Okay, let's see. Mine didn't work. Did yours work? No? You didn't catch any ice? Okay, I'm going to tell you, there's a magic trick. You have to sprinkle some salt. Let's see if it will work with salt. So stick it in there. And the trick is the string has to be touching the ice cubes. If you're doing this at home, if your string does not touch an ice cube, the magic won't work. So I have just a little bit out so I could pull it. And now I'm going to take my salt and I'm going to pour quite a bit on there. So sprinkle it on there, make sure to really get it on the ice and the string. Okay. All right. And now we have to count all the way to 30 before we can pull it out. So don't pull it out yet. Wait till we count to 30. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 more to go. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh, we're almost there. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so grab your string and pull out slowly. It's working, but it's getting stuck in my can. There we go. Look, I caught an ice cube. And I caught a couple more down there. I caught some ice. Did yours work? Were you able to catch some ice? Isn't that cool? So let me tell you why that works. So salt actually melts ice. So if you live in a place where it snows a lot in the winter and it gets on the roads, you'll see snow plows that shovel the road, and then they have a thing in the back that throws out ice. Or not ice, I'm sorry, salt. It throws out salt. And the salt goes on the road and it helps melt the ice. And that's same with people that have like driveways and sidewalks. They'll throw ice out on the sidewalks and the driveway so that it melts. I keep saying ice. Salt out on the sidewalks and the driveway that are icy so the ice melts. So what happened here is this water is really cold. Like if you touch the can, it feels cold, right? So we poured some salt on the ice and the ice melted just a little bit where the salt was. And while we were counting to 30, that big number, the ice started freezing again, and it started freezing to the string. And so the string got frozen to the ice. So when we pulled it out, we caught some ice because salt helps melt ice. Isn't that cool? So that was our little magic trick. It was magic. We added magic salt. Yay! Well, it's time for Miss Tiffany to go, but Mr. Stripes wants to say bye before we go. Can you help me call him? Say, "Oh, Mr. Stripes." Here he comes. Hello, friends. Oh, hi, Mr. Stripes. We just finished up. We did a really cool science experiment. I went ice fishing. Isn't that fun? Yeah, that's way fun. And all right, it's time for us to go, but we hope to see you back again in one of our other classes. So let's sing our goodbye song. Ready? It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say a big hooray. And then be on a coming, and we hope to see you back soon.